Jowo bana linge we kana dialen kon til la rwanye la ka lien ka gwase me. Bana rwaj ka kwire ka medane shitwo ke 1991. The split of SPLM, SPLA in 1991. Kena tinjek dialen kon tin chano. Bana rwaj ka tungwan ko kien ne te kon te sharodian bar re kuma ka Dr. John Garang de Mabir. Gwazi dan echi Dr. Riek Machating chika gag kene Garang. Bana ti dialti bana kelinkel ka jelere me. Bukonta ye dane shingore lat ka je bana keling. Ko te dialte kon te chituok gor kano de ka nyok mokwa ke gwiche nyok ka ta ye dane chirka to chika tuok je. Riunen tungwan kwikente kon de shawde en lat. Gwaze dan e shukor cha tuok je. Karon kis kelu kurbang wanu jenbang wanu de kel. Eno shinwari chakanak ke cha jang chakanak bana kelin ka jene me ko ne me mlin ko me jenta yi dane to kor ka je mi be shuwore wich ka sa Sudan kelio me jak na ko binatu kor shu men walle toge ka te konte chori lat ke 1991 anda manduni shan kon nyek mle anong roi ne gwasme ka Nuer online TV channel bana tin diale konte chori lat ke 1991 bana kelin gor jeno biya kaling ka to kawaine kana tung Nueri ko biya ko te ka shoblo aj mugwa mi ram ngene tung Nueri yo be shunga ga tung Nueri mi ram ngene to kawaine be chulinga to kwaine be kwen ka to kwaine be nyoko mulo je ka tung nat ko bi kon ko te ka shoblo aj mugwa na me gora ngu gora shoblo aj mu dong de konaling minyam gwas me men banaling. The split of SPLM, SPLA in 1991 and its impact. Members of the Dinka Boer community around the world mark 28 August every year. They say thousands of their people were killed in Boer in 1991 by the SPLM Nasser group led by Dr. Riek Machar. At that time, Dr. Riek Machar broke away from Dr. John Garang de Mabir with Commander Dr. Lama Kol and Commander Gordon Kwangchol. After the split, Garang group was called SPLM SPLA to rid faction. The split was declared on 28 August 1991 in Nasser town, Apanal. Jawlin kon magwase me, agwase dane shirek chatuwa kaje. Missionating konti la jang bor, chukala da woken ishaka naga shanyan dangrid badak pay badak ke ron kit kel urukul bang wanu jen bang wanu de kel ke jer wona mo chukur chu to gaje chwane ri chop ke kimi chwaka na kare wijbor ke 1991 chala do meto kor to kam SPLM ala Nasser group ke bone dan eti Dr. Riek Machar teten. At that time kajen gwasedan chala yunene Dr. Riek Machar wajen chejien ka kume Dr. John Garang de Mabir kajen gwasa mo wachu Dr. Riek Machar poinde chumat kenene kokien kajienda ka Dr. John Garang chu Dr. Riek Machar chu jal kel kene Dr. Lama Kol jent dero chala Dr. Lam Akol ajawin ke Commander Gordon Kwangchol agent chwe jone Gordon Kwangchol chengoteka ka gwase da ne shi Dr. John Garang de Mabir ke Dr. Machar chika rodian da kaje no chwaje cholo no ne ala Garang group chwale SPLMA to rid faction awatene jangten korodian awaken kuken declaration mo kuken lat ka changen dang rid badak ke 1991 changen dang rid badak ka pay badak 1991 ka Nasser town ka Panal tishit kati shawde lat akore dane shitwok akur miditi akur matot Dr. Riek Machar chejien chu Dr. Lama Kol chu gorno bika wekene Dr. Riek Machar kel ko chala do John Garang de Mabir shenga na de jek bana kelin ka ken ler lat kon me gwas mene ko shenga ke jek enono chu Dr. Riek Machar ke Dr. Lama call a jawin ke commander Gordon Kwangchol shuka jalkel shuko rodian realeka lobiga jalkel wa dundien ki team jelka ke chwale SPLM SPLA Nasser group Ramadan la kwaren e Dr. Riek Machar bana jawadan mentu kor re wichin winimi bana dealing reason for split mandana dangna angun mi to kor keje e be Dr. Riek Machar be jien ping ut ka mishal kame John Garang da mabiyor bana jelin kel ka jalera mene me men chalat. The SPLM Nasser leaders say the split happened because the whole SPLM SPLA had no clear goal. John Garang da mabiyor had no clear goal. Millions had already died in the war, but soldiers did not know exactly why they were fighting. The movement also had no proper structure for decision making. John Garang controlled everything as his personal property. There were also reports of human rights abuse under John Garang leadership. Jolin kone me a jawo shalat me shalat wude shalga me John Garang da mabiyor. Dobe dane to kurkaje kajen ruwana mo 1991 SPLM Nasser leader la Dr. Riek Machar chela de wonene a gentleman chalat wude me shi mugwa la wude shalga John Garang da mabiyor ne en me to kurgwase me okay ti Dr. Machar jen che ku jeno John Garang da mabiyor jagna jaka jana ka ne di shogo million shi gliun wenamo so she gorno che ne ko ndi la de tin kule liu do ba liu kana ka je wace jalat nana ko ci ne wan shi ka liu kan mandana terka by the way kade de ko ndi la de ni nana awa en movement ki kumme dane te ping Dr. John Garang da mabiyor wateleje proper structure ki decision making do mo de na kula jal kaje wati dial chako control a John Garang da mabiyor ke that time tidia anything mulatke re which wate pinga tepi wut kama chal kame John Garang da mabiyor anything mulatke akan mukene lar chan mo chajalat is the only one mukuti dial ko ka control re which gwase dan tenaka movement Chik Dr. Riek Machar che chula de wonene duomi mo shana nyut manana terke tele milatke yoske nena kashana kam direction telewe anyok chala do under wudi shalka me John Garang da mabiyor wachi ne tin walong chike liu tinegjen chega naga mene Nuer bana jo jigyo chene shalka ga jak shaka masaka ka gwade dan bukono jek tuoga dio jeka 1980 something there so bukono jeka jalarame malat kono me kogo kono banti dial kon lat kurudien bane ka ngaj national libang history bay nyoko malat keje ko bay kula ngajena kajo mu chalat gwaseme mede kono ling okay from 1983 to 1991 many SPLA officers could not explain why they were fighting. One soldier said, I don't know, but John Garang know. Some thought they were fighting to free South Sudan from Northern domination. But even the politicians inside the movement were not sure what they were fighting for. Kataya dan, karuan kiskelu kubang wanu jen badagu de diok, awa karuan kiskelu kubang wanu jen bang wanu de kel. Awa de nitung wan ke SPLA. Quicken mandana terkana. Wachin chiran chiti de lari. Men terkana. Chiramkel ere bun ka medana ti John Garang teten chala do wonene ajene ku nei mandan en lat kene keje a Dr. John Garang da mabiyor jene ku nei ajene ngai ne odon ku nei liberate ne South Sudan kam ne South Sudan ka bon dum jalam ni men chinetin kon tin la ji South Sudan shaka jako be ka lat to jen do be dana ku nei ja but ku nei no tiwu de shalka me John Garang da mabiyor take a different agenda kama ndana gor ken wodelat ko jen gor no kor ka kor ko na talk so ka jom shit kana me mlin kona me awan wenamo chinetin kon tin la kume Dr. Riek Machar shukari gor no bike jien ko che telway mo na kaje tele structure tel de cha yan pin te de na o keke So jo mishalat gwaseme manande yene kulaling. Instead of building good structure, Garang created only a political military high command and gave top position to semi-educated people. Riek Machar was put at the bottom of the list. The group had both political and military power, but most members lacked knowledge and experience. This made the war weak, and for 21 years they failed to capture even one state capital until peace was signed in 2005. Jolat kone magwasame awa me good John Garang me chalat awajen to build military they ni I command ka wajen ka jen gwasamo awa she top position alare kume ka ngai kona top position ala ne kon la kwar dial chega kamjang ne ti kwika gwar ti ken gwar but that time chala do Riek Machar a jaram dan ci gwar ken dia take knowledge but a wajen chaje chot pin chaje las ne list in the last day ala te ne pin canadian you know the point there and Dr. Machar take power ka political ka military take power lo take long medit ke take bomb but kanu de shal ka me John Garang da mabur kana je gorno be Dr. Machar be jengi kamandan take je Canadian take content to kill ka kan gwasidan ken ga kon gwar but Riek Machar take a power a intelligent a educated person so he deserve no dey make a position but instead ko look John Garang mabur logan wari wa Riek Machar chure chopin ka chuje don pinyan gwasamone ka jiram dana take knowledge chala do ne ka rumi jandangara yude kel wa chen state ka witin kontila wi jalamni chen state kel kana cap amene me shi 2005 che chup gwadan kwa CPA kwa jawlat keje ala peace agreement me walat ko ba kum Sudan ba ko nyo mat keje chen state kel dai we jalamni ka Sudan me chwale Sudan keliu ati junubin ka kan jalam dial ka kel wa chen state kel kana cap 18 kontila South Sudanese kejano Dr. John Garang mabur aramkel mugoro dara kemno point de enwe shalke is Sudan ban joje pingwaseme eno ngumla roda ko ngai kono no malatke John Garang mabur shimide malde jenong kam nendin kono lanwari kene jankos and this thing to happen long time ago ano daganitin konti lanwari kanetin konti la jang ko gor jen go ci nwar shikan bonyal so che Dr. Machar che je shut pinyang gwada mana che chone pin che je lat ka bottom of the list Riek Machar wa der tenial long but ko shi wuri chal ka me John Garang mabur ko she gujeno muwe Dr. Machar we je lanial so bi Dr. Machar but take power me did along the commander did not work as a collective team. Many of them never met in person. Order always come from Garang while field commander like Machar had no say. Gwasedane to kotetin me tukur me tetin wane dialan kon tila commander kitin kon tila kola kana nangyam waken tele ka jaw ke voice medera ndar jalal no de na mede lel nenam kodi ti dial chaka control akir everything te under kir me yadit tele mi kwa control anetin kon tin la kwar amen Dr. Machar bu ko ram kel mutika power mudit wajen tanga power muto tele jakaje wa ni mu da lero da chaka kwinija so mu chit kana me riek mishalat ka gwasedan ko won kuma mu we niam la nari ngaje no kana ngani ba man dan den dob den on niam ko jabaji dil ngaj ban mu kwane ko ken kwa ga li dictate chaka youth gwardan de ko niam ko je so what is the option for them so Riek Machar che chu gorno tele way out ngano to bina tedi binar we kume John Garang da mabir so right now ko jowlin kono me wa Garang force also carried out massacre against some ethnic group. One major case was in 1985 against the Gajak sub-clan of Nuer. The conflict started after a village refused to give its fish to SPLA soldiers and was shot dead. Villagers retaliated, killing some soldiers. Garang then sent big force led by Kerbino Kwanyinabul and William Nyonbany to punish the Wulgaja community. Thousands of people and their cattle were killed and many villagers were burned. Mishit kaname mnen koname micho latka gwasedan. Gwase tu de shalka me John Garang de Mabur te kwerka. Ano. And John Garang de Mabur fonde awajan chana chekan naka ping mudi ne de kon naka kanetin kon te loka me tekaja. But do be dane naka naka je. She community men shalka ga jak sep clan kaji kain Nuer. Sheka massacre ke shega naka 1985 ron kit kel kurba wan wide jan bada gure diech shokan nak me naka ke awajen teke de misharat je gorno majja ka bom kanetin kon shalka ga jak chwachu penojen beta tobe baja kambet wan gwad mo shukan rammo ke wuda mo shukan shunan ne gwad mo wud ga jak mo ne mijikana nago again tukor ka 1985 machar de niken chakan nago en John Garang de Mabur agajak en wenamo show force ki de nitun wan show jak ken force da ne che jak wa wudi shalka kirbino kwanyene bol ken William nyon ban be nyo tour niken gwasa mena 99 yen katini wude te chweje again William nyon ban wude te chame jaram danen shalke kirbino kwanyene bol kenne dang rodi ti awakane te konte sha kamo dorono wi anaga gajak ke 1985 shukan gajak sep clan ke jikan Nuer shukan kanak ke shukan ka massacre rameda ne jakenga e John Garang de Mabur che jogono wi anaga ke without any question. Emishit Kanamebo award the similar scenario, similar atrocities were also reported against other groups like the Toposa and Murle in the 1990s. The 1990s, cha Murle na kaken kanete kono chalke Toposa ne bane. The same order mishalat wude shalke John Garang de Mabur, Dr. John Garang de Mabur. Mishit Kanamo chirega mocha tuok chikor mocha tuok kashana shakanek so ne titi kanete kono shakamodor chikan for chikana jagre gaja community chikan gaja chikan connect. This is 1985 jando bedane naka gajak sep clan kanware wana me mishalat wude shalke John Garang de Mabur ke riek mi jegalunga medane chajalat ka jawde dien gwasme melnin kono nyok. The 1991 Bur incident, the Dinka Bur community say the 1991 split caused the Bur massacre. There was indeed a battle over Bur town and many lives were lost. But according to report, Dr. Riek Machar did not order the attack. Instead, some of his angry officers organized it after hearing that Garang forces were killing Nuer officers in Torit. These officers with armed civilians attacked Bur and displaced many Dinka Bur people. Jawlin kono me rege da shi to ka 1991 ka jomo shalat gwasame wa dinga Bur community kala da kan chaga naka 1991 wa do be da to kur ka je kan Dr. John Garang kan wuri shalka me Dr. Riek Machar kan karwach Dr. Riek Machar point da bakane de kana je order no yene wi anaka dinka Bur ne te nakana a wire force Dr. Riek Machar puch kan de konde kap ka kor ano buka wonyen ka jang la dinka Bur community wa do be dan e wokon weto ka je do be dan e shan wer sha kan ka Torit kana ro ni won enone ala wude shal keme Dr. John Garang de Mabur jente ka group mete ka Torit mimo tene jangten tetan wotegten so gwada mi ka Torit da kare 1991 kan network chuken wer ro kan na kan dial ka Torit so shwan wer shwa kan ka Torit. After that channel kon ladde ni Nuer tete kelke John Garang kwas magat ke de ne Dr. Machar chukan kurchu togre wij bor ajan do be dan liuna ka je shika jankro shili wona shika liu bo benen manen Nuer and that was 1991 incident kinere wan chi liu wan kwas mone mishit kana me ajan dan e ku kurkule non kula da ko jele non ko chi jang chika ak violently nakan Nuer ka Torit wachu Nuer be kan kurchu togre wij bor kone te naka by the way ke Nuer officer ka Torit te jang tiketin under commanding of wudi shalkame Dr. John Garang de Mabur kon mishit kana me cho tok ka 1991 cho korcho didalong Other incident happened in 1993. Army Nuer civilian known as the Y Army, led by Wurnyang Garkik, attacked Malakal town. They captured most of the town but later lost it because they had no training and no ammunition. This attack was not organized by Dr. Riek Machar. Minen kon magwasame wake 1993 up to 1991. 1993 Chinwer Y Army shika nyoka mijen kan awatika ka kontrolut ka mishal ke Wurnyang Garkik. Wurnyang Garkik ke Wurnyang Garkik deo jela kona lingete ka ron Wurnyang. That is 1993. Shuka jian kan Nuer titi, shuka no ka Malakal, shuka Malakal, shuka na dak, ka shuka na kap. Bari waka kor ni ndito wa shuka jian ko kan watele ka training. Ajan ta dan ngai ko na kan Nuer Y Army chenki kan wuci kana kap la jian kan bikan wuci bikana banpin. Bika wa biga nyogo lo jok. Michigan mandana gur kana shikana jek, gur kana kwak ke whatever they are looking for. When they got it, they have to return back. Ko kan shika deini, they are not soldiers. They are just simple civilian. So kan civilianity chwalka ken Nuer Y Army. Right now diyan gujen wale lalar kan Dr. Machar jene ja associate ken Nuer Y Army. Pen Dr. Machar shiram kel ken Nuer Y Army. Telemeti chairman kamka ba. And she part of Nuer Y Army ba. Kana come organize. But these are purely Nuer civilian. Tilamanda lalat ke jang michko jang mi kan Nuer kan ga jek lakan kanak chitkatin shaling nuwan 1985. Tayo dan shigan Nuer kan nakaja. Milat kona me emishituok ka gwase dan ke 1993. Kwa mishan chin Nuer Y Army chikan Malakal shikana dak. Dakana ko shati jek shakalat ku mikir me yadit kana wuri shalka me John Garang da mabur ko tika ken. So mishit kana me bana nyoga right kamana ana shalat. Chemna me shirekcha tuok by the way ke 1991. Despite the violence, many people believe the 28 August 1991 NASA declaration was a blessing. It brought new idea to the struggle. Self-determination for South Sudan through referendum. Democratization of the movement with real structure. Respect for human rights. Before that, Garang wanted a united socialist Sudan and later united secular Sudan, which is New Sudan. Many saw this dream as unrealistic. Milinkon magwasame watai dan chikorcha tokaje rewich kanasar ke 28 August 1991 by the way jenchanga dan tokor kaje 28 August changen dang road badak pay badak 1991 jen dobe dan tokor kaje mechi kor meja togan wenamo wajen kula teko binat bateka self determination e dung Dr. Riek Machar bateka wo binat ka democratization I will take a structure and yok ano batubaka respect for human right bo token kajen that time 1991 28 August 1991 gwaze che jangchi gunwar naga torit kache jangchi kan ko ter bor mishu bor lar no kana shakanak that is 1991 la jang la kana alat and when more wa should dream the den chu nyok ben ko binat bikarodian ger the split put Garang to call the first SPLM National Convention in 1995 showing that change was needed inside the movement. Chu Garang chu na chu cholka 1995 and obinad buka dol ka do badan bu movement ba weja. That was 1995. Gwasame Machar faction later signed the Khartoum Peace Agreement in 1997, which for the first time included the right of self-determination for South Sudan. This was also added into Sudan 1998 constitution, but the agreement failed because Khartoum violated it. 1997 Dr. Riek Machar jen chamal cheje tan kaneti konti la jalamne kachi wa self determination choja fly muludo binesh koroda ala South Sudanese choja gorka constitution ke 1998 Dr. Riek Machar, but after that Dr. Riek Machar chi ganyok be fell out kana jalamne cho jalamne shukan mal shukan bedak mal le chalar ka Khartoum shukan violate namona michi talk in 2002 Machar and Garang reunited in Nairobi. Self-determination officially became the movement goal. In 2005 the SPLM, SPLA and the Sudan government signed the comprehensive peace agreement or CPA, we give South Sudan the right to vote in referendum. Jawlin kono mogwasime 2002. Chu riek machar kana John Garang de Mabur chu ken jekre wike Nairobi ke Kenya. Chu ke jek kashwa idea dung Dr. Riek Machar mention ke self determination chu aje use self determination aje nana kwala jek South Sudan en wale me kwala cholo no South Sudan be independent be jek idea of self determination. And this was 2005. We charge ngaje no shi kan mat ke 2002 2005 chu comprehensive peace agreement chu aje la CPA which was South Sudan chu ala do jen vika vote ka referendum nyos kono bina bika chong ka bika rulen kwany ke bika vote mu wakalen then bika ngut ka Sudan kamu ka Sudan ko na len ka voting then bi South Sudan be chong korade, and it happened in 2005 and we all have seen that. Ke 2011 shu mechi ko nen chu talk mechi talk ki South Sudan chi independent che shu jek 2011 the self-determination dung Dr. Riek Machar. Gwasame. Conclusion. The event of 1991 should not only be remembered for the Boer incident. The spirit also gives South Sudan a clear direction. Without the Nasser Declaration, self-determination might not have become a reality. The people of South Sudan should stop using the 1991 Boer tragedy as propaganda against Dr. Riek Machar. Instead, they should honor the leader who shaped the path to freedom. The road is still long, but unity and truth are the way forward. Talin kona me shi ko mejo to ga 1991 charge de use a jang sha dinka bur sha kanak ga 1985. So to talk with tissue went to shiga jak ci gaba jino shana chaka na kin warwa jino shana na ki shana masaka madore koken sha dun tori re dana shan we anak tin cha ja mention ba kadje 1991 wari ko ne ya naga tori a jang cha jalat 1991 de je yik team ko che South Sudan jako ba jak no ko 1991 ajen do be dane kwa mal kwa ele je ko bi South Sudan bo da ngaje no weni bi John Garang bro ngaje no jena nga ka bi Dr. Machar bro ngaje no jena nga to sha chunen ke 2002 shiga chujek churo den chu unite then ke 2005 me sha ngaje no shiga den mat chike balikin te konte chir to ke 1991 me shikan kapal then chwa jogo no we dun jano be referendum be jalat and then be chong Allah which mishwal ke South Sudan and de kon lar no de chamu gwane jen shajalat kume Dr. Riek Machar kene John Garang de Mabur ko shi kene struggle mo shi kene jaka janyam a shengu me ba jele bidagan tame a wude shwal keme ekir ma yadit these people chike struggle along ko ba kum ba jek ne dang dukti nen yengate gwasa me Dr. Riek Machar, Dr. Lama Call, Kelet Commander, Gordon Kwangchul, Shika led the long ko bakum by the Jek Kume Menchualke Kume South Sudan. And they should be remembered and Oken Ke hero ni. He should go chicken kalat ko be Kume by the Jek Kibunat because South Sudan became a Jekawale. No. Cha Dr. Riek Machar cha dia belem ke nurun ijene she jang cha yan Mike 1991 pon jan pan ken chi gunwari kan ganna ka 1991 amumi balel gore jen woni ideal be kan madane show da lat ka gwasiran chika na biya team chika na biya remember be kan gore do badan de South Sudan da ron yam ka je cha chunen bane chuda shal ka me kirma yadi ba cha ma cha je chu yot eka ku 1991 Chikir me hadit chama che yot ke kwide neme ajen main sardana te ka jankan dial eno Riek Machar ishe Dr. che John Garang de Mabur che yan match ke 2000 ke 1991 ajen ta dan te kan dial ten film da dian milat kene jenu Dr. Riek Machar che jalat cha jang shakan naka 1991 shikana forget no shikan Nuer ba shikan ka naka 1991 wait ba de kule jigidi me everybody guje jengo reng machar gwandwiri ku kana blame kame dan cha la no te kon chika wewe a changa ne de kona jang ba shaka la belantamen go shiga na naka 2013 wuri shala kirmi yadi da mindset la de na mindset da ne shala John Garang ma biur ke 1991 let ken mishal ke revenge balon bagwa rewich ka guru jeno so Sudan ba woniam so shi mogwa Dr. Riek Machar ken John Garang da ma biur shi ken so Sudan shi ken shape no baje jek amugwa long de loy nas dere test keke anda mandu ni shan ko nyamale no roi na gwa same no naga jelung no de korwani kona tuok de kon kangech historical background man to conflict man to ter kam Nuer kana jang de kon kangech ajem jodana goren go de je nyaka ye kela na me please nyaka ne ko ken nyaka ka gat e kangen mandana le rode gore jeno bana jangat taye ci tuok 1991 malawa mo ke chuka e jang so then a real story shalen gwasmene take mu de dem gore de lar please gore pin je ka Facebook da mu don tem de lar an bar ñew jëgal la radian biati kamal bye bye